In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store receipts in QuickBooks Online, a crucial skill in today's fast-paced business environment. So let's get started by logging into QuickBooks Online. Open up your Chrome browser and head over to QuickBooks Online. Once you're there, enter your email and password to access your account. It's important to note that using Chrome is recommended for the best experience with QuickBooks Online, as it ensures optimal compatibility with their features. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to access the receipt capture tool. On your dashboard, look towards the left-hand menu and click on Expenses. From there, select Receipts. This will take you to the area where you can upload your receipts. You have a couple of options here. You can either click Upload from Computer to manually select files, or if you're feeling tech savvy, simply drag and drop your receipt images directly onto the page. Keep in mind that QuickBooks Online supports JPEG, PNG, and PDF formats for these uploads. Once your receipt is uploaded, QuickBooks will use its intelligent system to try and read the receipt automatically. It will extract details such as the vendor, date, and total amount. But don't just leave it to machine intuition. Take a moment to verify these details are correct. You're looking to confirm the payee or vendor, the date on the receipt, the exact amount spent, and crucially, categorize the expense correctly by selecting the proper expense account. If your organization requires detailed tracking, you may want to add a memo or include a class to help track the expense by department. As an optional step, you can attach this receipt to existing transactions. If you've already recorded the expense, link the receipt to an existing expense or bill. Alternatively, QuickBooks provides the flexibility to create a new expense directly from the receipt you've uploaded. This feature can help keep your financial records organized and complete, eliminating discrepancies that might arise when handling expenses. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save and Close to store your changes. If you have a batch of receipts to process, you can choose Save and New to streamline the process. Rest assured, QuickBooks Online keeps these receipts stored securely for future reference, especially useful during audits or when reviewing financial statements. To finish up, you might want to review your stored receipts. Head back to the Expenses section and click on Receipts to see all the receipts you've uploaded. This interface allows you to search by vendor name, date, or even a specific amount, which can be incredibly useful when preparing for taxes or other accounting needs. If the need arises, you also have the option to export these receipts for additional uses. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, storing receipts in QuickBooks Online is streamlined and efficient, making it a breeze to keep your financial records in top shape. Whether you're managing a small business or just keeping personal finances organized, this process is an invaluable tool.